Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you connect your Swift car's Bluetooth, even if it seems unavailable. Let's start with the basics. First, make sure your car's ignition is on and the infotainment system is fully powered up. Next, grab your mobile phone and confirm that its Bluetooth is enabled and set to discoverable. Finally, take a look at your car's infotainment screen for a clear Bluetooth or phone menu option. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth connection process. If the initial checks don't immediately resolve the issue, let's move on to some common troubleshooting steps. A simple restart can often work wonders, so try restarting both your mobile phone and the car's infotainment system. Also, it's a good idea to clear out any old or unused Bluetooth pairings from both devices. Finally, ensure your phone is physically close to the car's infotainment unit, within about 1 to 2 feet, to eliminate any potential range problems. Now, let's dive into the actual pairing process. Navigate to your car's Bluetooth settings and look for an option like Add New Device or Pair Device. Simultaneously, on your mobile phone, search for available Bluetooth devices. You should see your car's name appear, likely Suzuki Swift or something similar. Select it. If prompted, enter the passkey, which is commonly 0000 or 1234. This should establish the connection. If you've tried all these steps and are still facing persistent connection issues, don't worry, there are a few more avenues to explore. First, always consult your car's owner's manual. It contains specific, detailed instructions for your exact model. Also, check if there are any available software updates for your car's infotainment system, as these often fix connectivity bugs. If all else fails, consider visiting a certified service center for professional assistance. They can diagnose and resolve more complex issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.